And back here closer to home, this is a live look outside the 9 News studios. As you can tell, it is already windy this morning, and we are getting for even stronger gusts as the day progresses. That wind already becoming a headache for one homeowner in Centennial. This is a live look from our Amy Hunter at a tree that was blown over by the wind. Landed on a house there, as you can see. Those are the strong gusts that we are going to see today. So, of course, Ed, we understand why a lot of people are concerned whenever you're talking about just how strong they might get.
Yeah, those gusts could get to 70 miles an hour, and I'll show you where in just a moment. But very strong gusts will continue today, tonight, and right on into tomorrow before we start to see a little let up.